Hi guys, I'm going to do another Dutch pour today. I'm going to use the same colours as I used last time. This is the one I did previously. It hasn't quite dried yet, so I'm not going to touch the top, but I think it turned out beautifully. I love it. So I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to use the same colours, and I'm just going to put them in a different order, because I love the colours on this one, and I've got them ready mixed, so I thought I might as well crack on and do another one the same. So let's put that back on the rack. I've covered my canvas in just my white paint, and my colours, if you haven't seen the previous video, I'm doing the same colours as I did before, which is the Arteza Pearl Sapphire Blue, the Pearl Glacier Blue, and the Pearl Rose, and they are absolutely beautiful colours. So this is the Pearl Glacier. Look how gorgeous that is. I just think they're all such lovely colours. This is the Pearl Rose, and this is the Pearl Sapphire Blue, which I adore. I think it's such a gorgeous colour. Now my pouring, oh, I've got another one. I've got my silver, and my silver is the DecoArt Extreem Sheen Sterling Silver, and this is the one that creates the cells. Not the lacing, because that's a different thing that I've got my cell activator. I'll show you in just 2 ticks. So that's the DecoArt Extreem Sheen Sterling Silver. And I'm going to use a cell activator on this, which is this one here. And this is the Owatrol Floetrol mixed with a few drops of the Liquitex titanium white ink and my Amsterdam titanium white. So that's my cell activator. My pouring medium, which I've got in this handy dandy little bottle, is 100. Now I put this bottle on the scales and I zeroed it. So then into this bottle I put 160 grams of Owatrol Floetrol, which is the one we get in the UK. So that's that one. And that is not the same as the Australian one. That's the Australian Floetrol. That's the one I just used for the cell activator. This is the one I use for the pouring medium. So it's the Owatrol Floetrol. So that's my pouring medium. So 160 grams of that Floetrol went into here, and then 60 grams of water. And this is an 8-ounce bottle, so it just filled it up nicely, and I gave it a really good shake. And make sure you put some tissue over the top and hold on to that lid in case it leaks. So that's my pouring medium, that's my paints. I've got my canvas. This is just a little 8x8 canvas, 8" by 8". And I'm just going to crack straight on with it. I've put my white paint on for my base and given it a torch. Let's see, a couple more bubbles there. So I'm just giving that a quick torch, and I'm going to layer my paints. So I'm going to do a slightly different order today. So this one I put on the top last time. So I'm going to put this one on the bottom, and I'm not going to put as much paint on this either. So I want to see what different effects I can get by not using as much paint. Because I do like the negative space as well on the canvas. It doesn't all have to be covered in paint. So my beautiful Pearl Sapphire Blue on first, and then the Pearl Rose. And then the Pearl Glacier. Oh no, I want my silver on next. So the DecoArt Extreem Sheen Sterling Silver. This Extreem Sheen, the DecoArt Extreem Sheen, is really good for getting cells. No silicone in it. You don't need the silicone. It just creates lovely cells. And then my blue, my Glacier, Pearl Glacier. There, and then I'm going to put my cell activator on. So you don't use a lot of this cell activator, because in the UK this the Floetrol is really expensive because we have to buy it in from Australia. So to get the Australian Floetrol is very expensive for us in the UK. So now I've got my handy dandy little blower that I'm going to use. So this is the smallest blower in the world apparently, and I love it. I use it for so many paint projects now. And I just take the nozzle off to give it a bit of a wider blowing area. I'm just going to blow that paint across. There. And then I like to come in with my little turkey baste. Oh, I haven't got my headband on. Just 2 ticks when I get my headband on. There, you can guarantee if I don't put my hairband on, I'll get my hair in the paint. I've always got my hair covered in paint anyway. So excuse me if my head gets in the way, but I just want to feather these out a bit because I don't want the hard edges. Yeah, it makes such a difference just feathering those edges out a bit. Just do that bit in that corner. It makes all the difference, doesn't it? There. Doesn't that look pretty? Now, I'm going to come in with the torch and take my gloves off. There. And then just let that develop. You can see already the cells coming up. It just looks so pretty. And bits of lacing from the cell activator. So that really does look really pretty now. All the cells are coming up. It looks just beautiful. There, I think that's probably a bit better. I've turned my overhead light off. It doesn't quite get the dazzle on it. So, look at those gorgeous cells. Just looks so beautiful and delicate. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And click the little bell notification, then you'll get notified when I bring out more videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of testing with different products, experiments that I've just got come in. So look out for those videos, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.